Good morning, student. Chapter number 5, Morphology of Flowering Plants. Write a short note on Solanaceae family. Solanaceae family, it is a three types family. First discuss for Fabaceae family, second Solanaceae, and third Liliaceae. In 2020 year, Fabaceae family is dealt this topic in 11th Science English medium. Only two topics involve this chapter, Solanaceae and Liliaceae. It is a large family commonly called potato family. Potato family is a Solanaceae. Vegetative characters. Plants mostly herbs, not for tree, only for herbs, shrubs and small trees. It is a vegetative characters of plants. Stem. Herbaceous, rarely woody, aerial, erect, cylindrically. Cylindrically means separate, branch, solid or hollow, hairy or glabrous. Underground stem in potato. For example, Solanum tuberosum. It is a first genus and species. Full form of Solanaceae family. Scientific name Solanum tuberosum. Leaves are alternate, these and these alternate, and simple, rarely pinnately compound. Extupulate, venation, reticulate. It is a types of venation. Means venation means in these types of theory for venation. This venation. Venation means the arrangement of wings and the windlets in the lamina of lip term as a venation. Means lamation is a two types. Reticular venation means dicot, means two. Example of unicosted and multicosted. Uni means one and multi more than. Example of convergent and divergent. Convergent means Gigibus and castor. Parallel venation means monocotyledons, means unicosted, multicosted, means unicosted example of banana, and multicosted convergent bamboo, and divergent means palm. And these leaf types: simple leaf, compound leaf, pinnate, palmate. This unifoliate, palmate, compound leaf, bifoliate. This is bifoliate, pinnate, unipinnate, binnate, two side, left right, multi is more than leaf condition. Next point, floral characters. Inflorescence, it is solitary. Axillary. Solitary means inflorescence types. Inflorescence type, it is a solitary. This clear. Cymose type first, solitary. Next point, cymose, solanum parts. Flower is a bisexual, male and female. Actinomorphic. Calyx means sepals 5, united persist, and velvet estivation. Types of velvet. Corolla, petals 5, united velvet estivation means corolla types. This estivation types. Androecium means male reproductive parts. Stamens is 5 and epipetals. This type of this reason for female gynoecium. Gynoecium means bicarpellary, cycarpus, ovary, superior, bilocular, placenta, swollen with many ovules. This is a gynoecium. Fruits means berry or capsule. Seeds are many and endospermous. And floral formula are first EBR in neat and Guchket. In regular 11 science MCQ, most important for floral formula of Solanaceae. EBR means these types of these. EBR means E bracket. Clear? Second, this symbol. This is a actinomorphic flower. Third symbol, bisexual flower. This K5. K5 means 4 fused sepals. C5A5. C5A5 means stamens fused epipetals. And last G2 fused interior ovary bicarpellary carpels. Clear? This is a formula of Solanaceae. Economic importance of Solanaceae. Many plants belonging to family are source of food. Source of food means tomato, brinjal and potato. Spice, chili. Medicine, belladonna, ashwagandha. Fumigatory, tobacco. Ornamentals, petunia. Most importance of economic importance for Solanaceae. Another next topic for family of Liliaceae. It is commonly for lily family. Habit, it is distributed for worldwide. Vegetative character, perennial herbs with underground bulbs and cones and rhizome. This condition. Clear? Leaves, mostly basal, alternate, linear, extrapolate with parallel venation, means venation types. These phyllotoxy, alternate means mustard, sunflower, hibiscus types, and whole mean Elastonia red and oleander. Clear? These types of alternate, this condition, opposite direction, whole, all round. Next point, floral character, inflorescence solitary, cymose type, often unbalanced cluster. Different cluster means separate. In bunch, so cluster means this is a cluster for grapes like structure. Flower bisexual, actinomorphic. Perianth means tepal 6, 3 plus 3, often united into tube, valvate aestivation. Androecium means male stamen 6, 3 plus 3, and gynoecium, female, tricarpellary means 3, synchrombus, ovary superior, tricular with many ovules, axial presentation. Fruits means capsule, rarely berry, seed, endospermous, and floral formula BR. BR means bracket, bracty. Second symbol plus means actinomorphic flower. This. Third, this symbol bisexual flower. P3 plus 3, A3 plus 3 means P3 plus 3 tepal 6 3 in cycle, and A3 plus 3 means 3 stamens in each cycle. Last G3. G3 means fused superior fused G3. This superior fused bicarpellary carpels. Clear? Economic importance. Economic importance for Liliaceae. Many plants belonging to this family are good ornamentals. Example of tulip and gloriosa. Most important plants for ornamentals, tulip or gloriosa. Second, source of medicine for alluvial plants, vegetables, asparagus, and colchicine means colchium autumnal. This is a first of Liliaceae family. Draw this figure. Allium cepa means onion plant. Liliaceae means family of onion plant. First figure draw in notebooks. This points is highlight and most importance economic importance. Thank you, student.